낮은 오피스야
Hi guys, welcome to a Wanna Eat in a Day video eating only Korean food in New York City. I'm now in Koreatown and we are first heading off to H-mart to get a coffee. I have some bulgogi kimbap and also some tteokbokki, and I really like this combo together. Let's first try this tteokbokki. Let's dip the kimbap in the tteokbokki sauce. The kimbap is huge. Next we are going to eat a Korean hot dog here at Jongro. I just ordered a potato hot dog. I have a potato hot dog, Korean hot dog. I also have some sugar on top, and I really like sugar on my hot dogs. This is actually one of the best corn dogs that I've ever tasted. For one ramen. Instant ramen that you have to prepare for yourself. Look how pretty this drink is. It's an Aurora lemon lychee drink with crystal pearls. Little on the sweet side, but still very pretty. And this is the peach lychee drink. This one is very good. I also did this less sweet, and that one is regular sweet, but I recommend to do it less sweet. And I also have a croffle. And a croffle is a mix between a croissant and a waffle. I really like the texture.
don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 이 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아. 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아. 발장을 끼지 않고 걷기로 해. 억지로 웃음 짓지 않기로 해. 조금만 떨어져서 걷기로 해. 나를 바보처럼 바라보던 날도 우리가
This is kalbi. We also have a pasta salad, some lettuce, and a steamed egg.
그럴 일 없으니까 이제 없으니까. How can I rewind it the memories? How can I rewind it the memories? 흘러간 시간 기억 모두 흘러간 시간 기억 모두.
I saw on Eric's channel that this is his favorite barbecue place.